Princess, and today I am going to substantiate or answer the pharmacological facts about pharmacokinetics. Diffusion is called down-the-hill transport.
Diffusion is called down-the-hill transport. Diffusion is the movement of particles down their gradient. A gradient is any imbalance in concentration, and moving down a gradient just means that the particle is trying to be evenly distributed everywhere, like dropping food coloring in a water. This is what happened when we made our granola. A bunch of separate ingredients came to spread out across the whole mixture. We call this evening out moving downhill, and it doesn't require energy. The molecule most likely to be involved in simple diffusion is water. It can easily pass through cell membranes. Diffusion is important to animals because it is the process by which useful molecules enter the body cells and waste products are removed.